The environmental value of olive pomace oil. There is far more to the unique food product that is olive pomace oil. This is a sector that performs an environmental role of incalculable value. How? By treating and transforming the entire sub-product of the oil mills after the olive oil has been extracted, making 100% use of the olive and, furthermore, using renewable energies, minimizing our environmental impact. 100% utilization of the olive. We start with the olive. After it has been pressed and milled, only 20% is olive oil. So what happens to the other 80%? This is the wet fatty pomace paste, our raw material. It is composed of all that remains of the olive once its juice has been extracted. That is, the remains of olive water, pit, pulp and skin. Thanks to sophisticated industrial drying, extraction and refining processes, this 80% is treated sustainably by obtaining important products. 2% is converted into crude olive pomace oil that will be transported to a refining plant to be made into our olive pomace oil, an oil with unique culinary properties and one which is excellent for frying. And 38% in biomass, principally in the form of olive mark and olive pit, a source of sustainable energy used both for consumption by our industry and for sale. And the majority, 60%, is turned into steam. But the wet fatty pomace paste also gives us chemical fertilizers and compost for soils and crops, refinery fats or pastes used in animal feed and the cosmetic industry, and compounds of high added value for nutritional, pharmaceutical and cosmetic uses, such as phenols and hydroxytyrosol. In the most recent campaign, we turned 6.4 million tons of wet fatty pomace paste into valuable compounds, minimizing environmental impact. But in addition, our environmental value lies in the use of renewable energies like biomass generated by the industry itself with neutral CO2 emissions, the evaporation of vegetable water, preventing this poorly biodegradable and highly polluting liquid from being discharged, the certification of our activity through compliance with international environmental regulations and standards, such as ISO 14001. Cogeneration optimizes heat generation for drying with electricity production. It uses natural gas, which is the combustible fossil fuel with the least environmental impact of all those utilized. Environmental value that sets us apart and makes us a pioneering sector in committing to a more intelligent, sustainable, and inclusive productive model. ORIVA, Interprofessional Association of Olive Pomace Oil.